more Gorgius wig. Listen, this wig, this company, they have great Glueless wig. It's just always amazing with their quality. So I'm so excited to get into today's package. So as usual, I love the packaging. Nice 30% box. And then I'm seeing the wig here. Let's see what we got in our goodie bag. So there's a bag branded Gorgius. So basically you can store your wig in this. Really nice. I also got this wig cap. And I got a little pouch here with goodies. It says Gorgius once more. Everything is branded. I got a little elastic band. I got 2 of these clips. I got some pins. And also got an edge brush and comb. And then lastly, a pair of tweezers. That's everything in there. So this is today's wig. We're doing a loose curly kind of vibe. And as usual, this is a non-lace wig, guys. Great quality. But what it does is like one of those nice curly, like bang curly wigs. It has like this portion, just like I showed you guys a really bomb straight wig from them some time ago. It was constructed the same way. And in here gives that illusion like it's scalp. So, you know, they put lace in this portion here. So this is how it looks on the inside. So they add lace to that area on the inside to make things look more natural. It's very nice and well constructed. There's an extra elastic band for more security because of course, you know, this is a bomb glueless wig, all right? No adhesive necessary. Also, there are adjustable straps in the back and a total of 3 combs on the inside of the cap. This is a natural 1B color. And I put the specific length that I have for today's wig and also the density. But let me tell you guys how soft this wig is. It is so gorgeous. Gorgeous wig indeed. It's really nice and full and bouncy. The movement is nice. The luster is natural. It's not giving like fake hair. It's giving natural luster. It's giving everything it's supposed to, okay? You know, so I love that. So this is for all my girlies who love a nice bang curly look. This, yeah, this is really top tier quality. You can feel that this is of quality. And I believe that, you know, Gorgius Wig is a company that try their best to maintain great quality. So look at that. You see how natural that looks? Super natural. So you know what we're gonna do? We're gonna go ahead and slip this on. This is literally a throw on and go. It won't take much time at all. It's like install my wig in a minute type of vibe. So let's go. Okay, that's super snug. That is super snug. Love that. It's so full and nice. So you can see right here. That's the portion that has, and I love that they didn't make this this band too dense. I love more of a sparse band, so you can cut it and like tailor it to your face. Because I feel like I'm gonna go in. Oh, this is so pretty. The curls are really nice and soft and just like effortless. So I'm just cutting down some of the bang so it can kind of like frame my face better because some parts are too long for me. So maybe if you have like a longer face working, you could leave it as is. It all depends on your vibe and what you want. So I love this sparse kind of vibe that it's giving. Oh my gosh. I know so many females that love this kind of vibe. It's like really nice and full, but it's not overly full. Because you know, sometimes when it's curly hair, like when it's a curly or wavy texture, it can be like a little bit too much. So this is just right. It's just right. You could do like a little pullback. Like, you could do like a little pullback. Oh, that's so cute. You know, to not have too much hair on your face. like, you know, to do something like that and completely go Glueless. Now let me tell you something. When I say this is super secure, it is like it's not going anywhere. It's not going anywhere. It is not going anywhere. Guys, let me know what you think about this down below. And I love these curls. I'm gonna keep them just as is. If you want to go ahead and wet it up, then you can. But I feel like this type of vibe needs this fluff. This nice loose curl fluff. I don't usually do curly bang waves, okay? And let me tell you, this is one of them that is like top tier. You know, because I don't want too much on my forehead. But what I love with Gorgius is that they don't overdo the bangs. Like, it's just right. It's like a nice fringy kind of bang. And that is just gorgeous. Super gorgeous. I could pull back the hair, like some of it if I wish. Like, yeah. You could just play around with it and see how well it frames your face. You know, this is a look, it's a vibe, it's giving playful, it's giving night out, it's giving dinner, it's giving date night, it's giving so much, you know. So I love that. So I'm going to be sure to put the specifications of this wig in my description box. I'll go ahead and check it out, okay? The direct link to this wig will also be listed. Shout out to Gorgius Wig for another gorgeous wig. Alright, as I'm out, I've been saying this, like, it's holiday time. Go ahead and, you know, get a gift for your friend, your family member, any loved one. Just go ahead and get them a nice wig if they're into that kind of stuff. And yeah, this would be a nice wig, especially for, you know, a lot of females out there don't have the time, or they just don't have the skill, they don't have time to really even, you know, get to learn it that much. They want a glueless wig. They want a wig, but they don't know if it applies, or they don't have the time. This is it. Super easy, super convenient. Yeah, so that's it for today's wig look, guys. Don't forget to go ahead, give me a like, subscribe if you're not yet subscribed, because you know I bring you the variety all the time. And that's it for today. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next video.